This is a video I've been wanting to do for a little bit. I recently got a 20-ton centrifugal press, and it's been doing a lot of good jobs for me. I've been able to pick out a lot of little good jobs from different shops. It's kind of a unique tool, a unique niche I've made some tooling to set up a job. It's a very basic job, but I think this is going to be pertinent information to anybody that's kind of interested in this type of work. So I'm going to go over the tooling set I made and what it does. Then we're going to go over the press, and then we're going to go over setting up the press and the operation. So it's going to be 3 videos because I don't want to put you to sleep with one long one. This is our investment die. This is a hops pattern. I'm sorry for the shakiness, but it's the only way it'll focus. It was made by Buckeye Engraving out of Akron, Ohio, and they did a very, very nice job on it for me for a very good price. Now, the rest of the tooling that involves with this is, well, we'll just stay like this. Let's just stay like this. Easier for me. This is our punch holder. This slides up into the nose of our press. Now, and our punch holder is drilled through. All right. All our tooling for press tooling, at least that I make myself, because I don't want to get fucked. Everything you can drive a pin through to drive it out if it decides to become one. There should be really no blind holes in press tooling. You should be able to drive your tools out if they decide to be one. So our punch is going to go on our, punch holder. That's going to go up in the nose, and then the press will come down and punch and print each individual button. Little buttons, they come off of my machine for a job, for a special customer. Now, the buttons sit in the anvil. That is our anvil. That's going to support the button. But we have press tooling, because I don't want to be reaching my fingers inside the press each time with this hammer right above. It's a centrifugal press. If you touch the foot pedal, it's going to go. It goes 2 cycles every second. So within 1/4 of 1 second is how long you got for a hammer swing. And 1/4 of a second is not even long enough for you to say, oh fuck, before it hits your fingers. So safety out in the shop is important, and I don't want to be out here with a mashed set of digits, because every machine tool is a very serious tool, and even having a finger mashed off, it's a pretty life-changing consequence, and it can happen very quickly. So we have we'll do it. So I just set it in there, sets in the press. That's it. The only thing I have to do is accommodate for height, but this piece of spring steel tooling for the spatula, and then it's going to hit it, and then I'm going to have a dun bucket, and it goes in the dun bucket. That saves my hands, it saves my fingers, it adds safety. And for a single man shop buying old tools with no safety, you are the one that has to be smart and think things through instead of fiddle fucking around in the press. Now, the anvil, it goes on this slider. So this is our Y, all right? And this whole table slides back and forth a little bit. It's our X, because our hammer is sticking down and it has to find home. So this is our homing unit. We're going to take this button, we're going to stick this right here, and we're going to home everything in. So we'll slide our table to where this is home, and we know it's going to hit. That's it. That's the setup. That's the tooling. That's all you need to know.